Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badayani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning. Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn sales promotion.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on Marketing Management. Today we are going to learn sales promotion. Sales promotion is one of the 4 promotion tools, which is one of the P of 4 P's of marketing. Well, let me say marketing has got 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion. The 4th P, promotion, has got 4 subparts: advertising, personal selling, publicity and public relations, and promotion. That is what is sales promotion. Sales promotion is that 4th part, or rather one of the parts of promotion of marketing. It is an action which increases the volume of sales and or it decreases the time of the purchase by the consumers. It involves so many activities like demonstrations, contents, price offs, coupons, free samples, special packaging, money refund offers, etc. It can be so many activities, offers, techniques, which or tools rather, which we cannot list out in a row, because every day a new sales promotion tool is coming in the market. Well, it is a saying, but let's say many promotion tools or sales promotion tools are there. It includes incentive offering and interest creating activities which are generally short term. Well, if it is long term products or price cuts and etc., it is not a part of sales promotion, but it must be short term, then and only then we can say it is sales promotion activity. Well, short term compared to advertising, personal selling or publicity and public relations. The purpose of sales promotion is to stimulate, motivate and influence the purchase and other desired behavioral responses by the consumers. A definition says that sales promotion is an activity designed to boost the sales of a product or service. It may include an advertising campaign, increased PR activity, a free sample campaign, offering free gifts or trading stamps, arranging demonstrations or exhibitions, setting up competitions with attractive prices, temporary price reductions, door-to-door selling, telemarketing, personal letters, or so many methods as we have seen. Formally, sales promotion is the use of incentives which create preparation for, you can say, greater brand awareness, greater sales, greater, a boost to the product, or it may be shorter time duration, etc. Well, now let us look at the sales promotion tools. Sales promotion tools are normally divided in 4 parts. Number 1, consumer promotion tools. Number 2, trade promotion tools. Number 3, business promotion tools. And number 4, sales force promotion tools. Number 1, consumer promotion tools, that includes so many tools like samples, coupons, cash refund offers, price packs, premium prices, patronage rewards, free trials, product warranties, tie-ins and tie-ups, point of purchase displays, demonstration, etc. Let us look at the trade promotion tools. Trade promotion tools are basically to seek for 4 objectives. Number 1, trade promotion can persuade the retailer or wholesaler to carry the brand. If they are not carrying, they must carry. Number 2, trade promotion can persuade the retailer or wholesaler to carry more than it normally carries. Number 3, trade promotion can induce the retailers to promote the brand through featuring, display and price reductions. Well, there of course promotion. And number 4, trade promotion can stimulate retailers and their sales people to push the product, well, pushing to the consumers. Well, next is business promotion tools. They are normally conventions, trade shows, exhibitions, etc. to promote the business among the business. Business people are normally finding the information, and awareness is a question over there. Otherwise, the rest emotional tools are having less place over here or less work to do over here. The rational direct price cuts and rational awareness are the only things over here which normally works. Next is sales force promotion. Salesmen are motivated over here by offering some bonuses or contests or sales rallies, etc. Well, offering some bonus or creating let's say a contest may boost a sales guy to sell more, to sell quicker, to sell within time period, etc. There are several sales promotion techniques too. Techniques can be so many that it cannot be clear-cut defined, or it cannot be clear-cut said. Sales promotion techniques can be specialized in certain industries too. Like FMCG industry are obviously a different one from a vehicle or automobile industry in terms of sales promotion. Well, you say normally sales promotion techniques are based on trial and error, where they try, and if successful they go ahead, or otherwise they don't go ahead and try for a new one. It is something like attempting new tools one by one. A simple thing can be said for successful sales promotion, like pre-qualified leads should be there, respecting the client should be there, building a relationship should be there, or setting the realistic goals should be there. Well, individual, it depends on so many things like what kind of media you are using to. It is something like whether you are using television commercials or you are going personally to meet your clients or whatever. So, this study was about sales promotion, which included the concept and importance and tools basically, which included 4 types of tools like you say consumer promotion tools or trade promotion tools or business promotion tools or sales force promotion tools, and uh, you know wordings about sales promotion techniques. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.